Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Hanson at EuroMed Clinic, and I want to talk to you about improving the quality of your skin. So, filling your skin with botox and fillers and all sorts of products might replace the volume, it might restore the anatomy, but it's not going to improve how your skin looks. Now, one of the ways we can do that is with PRP, so taking the plasma out of your blood and applying it into your face with microneedling. This is done, of course, under really strong topical anesthesia. It's basically a painless procedure. It's very effective. If you have 3 treatments over 3 months, you'll notice thicker skin, particularly around the eyes where the skin can get a bit crepey and very thin. The PRP restores a glow, and I always like to mix it with some mesotherapy so you get the nutrients and vitamins in the skin. You get much thicker skin with more collagen, more elastin. It really is a way to turn back the clock, and it's natural. No artificial ingredients. So if you're interested, come and see me. Aesthetic consultations are free.